Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. My channel is a place where I talk about diamond paintings and unboxings and completions. I also talk about crochet and yarn, my other love, my other craft I really love. And I also do some book talk, some book hauls, and I do a book discussion on Tuesday nights with my friend Brandy, Mystery of Diamonds. Today's video is a diamond painting, but these are not diamond paintings, okay? So I have one diamond painting, and this is something different. This is a company that I have seen. It keeps popping up on my Facebook all over the place, and I had to go check them out, okay? So let's get into it. This is from, you can see the name, Crafthub. Now this order did take a little bit of time to get to me, but it's here. So let's show it to you. This is a wooden jigsaw puzzle. This is an A5 size. So this is a small little puzzle. All right, but let's get into it and let's see what it's about. Does this have plastic on it or tape? What's keeping us from being able to get in? Oh, here we go. You know, it's always interesting to get something for the first time and you don't know how it works. Okay, so this is cool. Here is, I believe, our picture of the puzzle. So let's open this up. It's very glossy. Ooh, very glossy and pretty. So here is the picture of the puzzle. How would it go? Like this? Like that? Like this? No. He'd be flying upside down. I think he goes like that. I don't know. You decide. Okay? The flowers look like they're upside down this way, but he's kind of like upside down that way. Okay, they got it like this. There we go. There we go, like that. Okay. Look at the picture on the box, Mindy. Look at the picture on the box. Okay. I had a code and everything. I should have looked up the amounts I paid for stuff, but I had a code that got me some money off. And look at this puzzle piece right here. If you've ever done puzzles. Okay. If you remember back, if you've been around a while and you remember back a while ago, I unboxed a box, a wooden heart-shaped box that you diamond painted on the top, which I did finish that box. And I talked about the smell of it. That's what this smells like. It smells like burnt wood. It's very interesting. If you look at the edges of it, they're like layered. So was that box. See what I'm talking about? See the different colors and things? It's got that same smell. Very interesting. I don't know if it's this wood that they're using or what it is, but very interesting. Look at that piece, that little puzzle piece right there. Right? So they're all shaped very, interestingly. I don't know if they have like animals in the shapes or if they're just random shapes. These two are already done for me. Thank you. This will be fun. I'm going to get Dale, maybe the grandkids, to help me put a puzzle together. So this one's going to be very small. How many pieces does it have? Does it tell me how many pieces? It does not on the box. It doesn't say on the box. It just tells me it's an A5 size called Vibrant Blossom Hummingbird. I mean, cute. I love puzzles, and these are going to be fun, right? So that's what I got here. That's fun. The second I opened that bag and smelled this, it was just like, oh, there is that smell again. It's not a bad smell. It's just different. It's distinct. Let me put it that way. Okay, so he goes this way. So he's flying like upright. Okay, so let me put this all back in here. Cute, right? Super cute. I like it. So the reason I went was because I saw they had dog breed specific items. Yes. Wow. Can't get it back in there now. Couldn't get it open. Can't get it closed. There we go. Comes in a nice little case so you don't lose it. Well, they have my dog, my dachshunds. And they had the dachshunds in a couple of different things. They had the dachshund in a puzzle. And they had a dachshund and a diamond painting. So I had to get both. I started with the diamond painting, and then I branched out into the puzzle avenue. So this one's larger. than the first puzzle. This one's an A3. They call that their large size premium wooden puzzle. Look at how cute he is. Look at that face. That's adorable. I love the colors in this. So here it is. Yeah, oh yeah, much bigger. Okay. I wish they said how many pieces they had. I think it does on the website. There's a lot more information on the website for sure. I will link them below, of course, so that you can go check them out. So here is our picture. This is what we're going to be making. And I tell you what, we did one shaped puzzle, and they are not easy. They are no joke. What did we do? The horse? It's no joke trying to figure out these shapes. Square or rectangular puzzles, even round puzzles, are a lot easier than these shaped ones. These are a little difficult. I'm just going to put that out there. So here's our bag. I love that it comes in a Ziploc bag. Don't lose your pieces that way. Let's look at some pieces, right? Oh, so funny. Oh, this one does have animal shapes. Look, there's a dog. A doggy shape. That's the back side, but that's what it looks like on the front. It's got a sheep. I thought some of them had little animals and stuff. This one does, the larger size. Oh, that almost looked like a dog or a cat, but I don't think it is. Oh, look at this is like a wolf. Cute. And that's what the piece looks like on the other side. It's actually, you can actually see the features. See the features? The nose and the eyes and stuff are kind of like, almost like carved in it. I don't know if they are actually carved, but there's a kitty. There's a kitten. Speaking of kittens, mine are outside causing a ruckus right now. Dale's kitty sitting. Is this a bunny? It is. It's a bunny. Isn't this cute? Oh, so cute. So this one does have several of the animal-shaped pieces. Here's another dog or cat. Another dog piece. Cute. I love it. This will be fun to do. I'm going to have to, oh, look at this dog right here. I'm more interested in finding the shaped ones, right? He looks like a Great Dane, doesn't he? Marmaduke. We got a Marmaduke, lives down the street. When they walk by, him and his brother's a Doberman. I think they're both girls, actually. When they come walking down the street, the owner's taking them for a walk. We just like, here comes the mini horses coming for a walk. So these are cute. They're nice pieces. They're really nice and thick. I like how it's like this layered type effect on the pieces. They're cool. Nice pieces. Got a nice finish. It's not like it's just a piece of, it might be paper on top, but if it is, it's on there really good. Nothing's peeling or anything. I like them. Good quality. Love it. Okay. We're going to have to do some puzzles this summer. I think the grandkids would look at these and be like, whoa, you know? See if I can get them to help a little bit. All right. Let's put the puzzles away for now. They got tons of puzzles. They have so many different dog breeds, but then they have all kinds of other puzzles as well. It's worth just going and pecking around on their site. It's fun. All right, and here's my diamond painting. All right, so on the back, what's in the box? I don't know. I can't read that language or that language. It's in like 3 languages, 4 languages. I don't know. Look at the pictures. Only suitable for people over 14. Well, I don't know about that. That seems a bit much. I got youngins that are diamond painting, right? Anyhow, box is a little, it came in like a big bubble envelope, and then it came in a white poly mailer thing. So it was bubble wrapped pretty good. Not enough to keep this box from squishing. And I don't think it's going to open because I believe it's taped. Yep, it's taped. See, we got tape. All right. Undo the tape. Come on. Okay, there we go. Might open now, right? So it does have a hang tag, but the hang tag's totally smooshed. Oh my goodness. You know, sometimes unboxings can be difficult. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Come out of there. Doesn't help that it's crumpled. Okay. Here we go. Come on out. There's our diamond painting. Whew. I worked up a sweat on that one. All right, that must be some sort of a serial number. It already looks like it's on a softback canvas. Well, we're going to tear that for sure. Oh, I guess we didn't actually. Okay. I like that it's nicely rolled. It's also in this plastic sleeve. Everything's been nicely protected. Look, it's not smooshed, it's not squished, nothing. It is a softback canvas, and it does have pinked edges, and it does have poured glue. Now it is a partial. We just saw that already for the first time. It's a partial. I'm going to roll it backwards. I'm going to get everything out so we can examine it further. Alrighty then. Here we go. Here we are. All right. So we've got drills. We got toolkit. We've got an information sheet. Wonderful experience in 6 steps. How to diamond paint. What's on the back? All of the things about it. Here's what we need to learn. High precision shimmer soft fabric. 2.7 millimeter top class diamonds. Precise simulation design. 360 degree imaging. Perfect version. Okay. Pure diamond color. Environmental glue. High viscosity glue. Plenty of diamonds. 10 to 50% diamond quantity more than necessary. No shortage of diamond. Complete colorful printing. Imported printing machine. Bright colored clear symbol. I have no idea what CMYK4 color is, but must mean it's got lots of good color. Green, healthy, and environmental protection. Got international system certificates, well-chosen material, environmental friendly, safe, healthy, and secure. Okay, now you know. It comes with a nice little toolkit. Let's look at our little toolkit it comes with. I believe the diamond paintings were limited to just the dogs. I don't think there was much else besides the dogs. There's a multi-placer in here too. So we have a pink heart wax. We have a 4-placer. Okay. We got a little squishy. We have a little tray, like a moss boat, and a sparkly pen. Okay, that's our little toolkit. Here's our drills. It's got that number on it, that big long number. Okay. I don't think these come with any ABs or anything like that. We'll find out in a second. Okay, here is our legend. So A1 through 29. Pretty, yeah, I think they're just standard drills. They do have DMC numbers listed over here and some pretty standard symbols. Okay. This is where the protective film is torn to begin make. Tore it from here. Okay, I agree with you. Bottom right-hand corner. Not everybody agrees with that. It's fine. You do what you want to do. Okay. All right. All of these things down here, accredited, all these things, I don't know what they are. Member of multilateral recognition arrangement. No idea. All right, but here are our little dogs. Aren't they cute? Aren't they cute? There's some things down here to remind you about diamond painting. Over here is our information. So our fabric size is 45 by 45. The design size is 40 by 40. So the design size is going to go from line to line. It's not going to be from butt to ear, okay? It's going to be line to line. It's cute, though. It's super cute. It's 2 little dachshunds, right? A mommy and a baby. Has their logo up here at the top, Crafthub. Cute. I like it. Let me zoom you in a little bit because you're like 17 miles away. What do you think? Not bad, right? So it's got a thick plastic. Love the thick plastic. And then look at this. This is shiny. It is shiny and glittery, the background. And here's our drill field. Now, I will say they're all black lettering on their symbols. Do I think it's going to be a problem? No, they're not. Well, they are all black. Because this is actually a black symbol with just a ring around it. Like the little circle around it. But I don't think it's going to be a problem reading any of the symbols. It's super cute, isn't it? I love it. So they definitely have more puzzles than they have diamond paintings. But if you're a dog lover and you have a dog, they probably have your breed in a diamond painting. They had a ton. All right, here's our drills. Let's see, what do we think? They look nice. I mean, they're round drills. They look good. Red and blue. There's nothing on, well, yes, there is. The DMC codes are on the bag. I didn't think they were when I looked at it at first. DMC codes are on there as well. And then the number, you know, the order on the canvas is on there. So reds and blues. There's a bunch of black. And there's 154. That's what we started with. Okay. What else? I'm going to show them to you backwards now. Orange, dark blue. Do they go in order? Are they going in DMC order? Yes, they are. Look, they're in DMC order. I love that. Makes it so much easier to kit up and things when they're in DMC order, really. I love that. Okay. Pretty, right? I like it. They look good. Okay. Well, that is what I got from Crafthub. Like I said, it did take some time to get to me. If I can figure out how long it took and put a little thing here, you know, I will. If I can't, you know, just know it took a little while. I mean, 3 weeks to a month, maybe that long. It might have been that long. I don't know where it was coming from even. I have no idea. But there you have it. Cute. I like it. So I'll link these below. Go check them out. Peck around and see what you find. They got some really cute stuff. Like I said, if you're a dog lover, you will be happy. Go find your dog. Okay? All right. That's what I have for you today. Thank you everybody for watching. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing and coming back for more videos. And for all of you who are returning, thank you for your support. And I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you have a great day. And I'll talk to everybody really soon. Bye, everyone.